Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Smoked Alive. Today we are filming the mystery makeup challenge. I am collaborating with the beautiful Alice Lockhart. I adore her. I feel like she is me, but not me. Make sure to follow her on her YouTube channel and also her Instagram and let her know that I sent you. And let's get into the challenge. Dun-na, 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 dun. The mystery makeup challenge. Alright, so I contacted Alice on Instagram and I was like, hey, do you want to do a collaboration with me? And she was like, yes. And I was like, yes. And then she was like, yes. And I was like, yes. Alright, so what is that? We sent each other 5 items, some makeup, some non-makeup items, and we have to use every single item that is in this box on our face today. I cannot wait for it to open my box. Girl. So we're gonna go ahead and open the box. What is it? I see something green. Girl, I almost did a black box just like you, but it didn't work. I ruined it. I tried to draw on it and I totally messed the whole thing up and had to throw it away. Alice, I don't cuss on my channel, but it says, Dear Caprice, have fun. I'm sure I will. More green. She wants me to be the Hulk. What is this? Spray on foundation. I'm scared. That's gonna destroy my white background. Oh my gosh. Crayola paintbrushes that I'm gonna use for my face. Yay! Really? Dude, Alice, I almost got you these, like, legit, but they were blue. But I decided not to, so. This feels No. If this. No! It's a sponge. No! So that means I can't use my beauty blender. What is this? Girl. I set you up for success. Oh man, you did me dirty. Oh my goodness. Do I have to use these? These though. So I'm gonna go sit in a corner and contemplate what to do so I can show all of her subscribers that I'm really good at makeup, because this is gonna be terrible. Okay, so looking at this palette, I'm getting some Jeffree Star Blood Sugar vibes in this section right here. I'm going to start with this bright lavender shade. So I'm going to be going in with the Crayola H7S16 brush, in case you are wondering. Well, I'm going to be here a while. Slowly blending this into the crease and up. 3 hours later. Next, we're going to go in with the shade right here. Girl, these are not gonna work. I'm going in with the Crayola H7. Oh, they all have the same name. I'm just gonna attempt to, oh gosh. The darker in color we get, the worse this is gonna get. Oh, Lord help me. Next, we're gonna go ahead and go in with this shade. I'm gonna start, oh, this shade's terrible. Oh. Literally 0 pigment. Snap. Taking my Morphe M50 brush. Freaking poop. It does the same thing. I'm legit going to use this little applicator. Nope, this is just turning into mud. And we're starting over. Alice, I just want to point something out. You saved me with these brushes because a regular makeup brush is not dense enough to work with such terrible pigmented shadows. So the only reason these shadows are kind of working is because of these. Okay, so I've got to start thinking outside of the box. So we're going to go ahead and use this NYX Vivid Brights base with my handy dandy paintbrush. Even this is going on terrible. I don't know if it's my applicator or what, but it's just balling up. Alright, we're gonna use this little guy. There we go. I love how the thing I grabbed to save myself is horrible. So with that blue purple shade that I talked about originally, we're gonna pack this on over the top. How am I gonna blend this, you ask? I have no idea. I've tried literally, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 brushes. 11 to try to blend this, and it literally just disappears. So I am going to use the ColourPop Super Shock Pressed Pigment in the shade Fantasy. There are 0 shimmer shadows in this palette, so I'm going to attempt to blend these with this Super Shock shadow. The little trick is to pull your eyelid all the way far, all the way over. Give yourself some wrinkles. Okay, so since this isn't a tutorial, I did just do some wing liner, because whenever you're in doubt, wing it out. Alright, this sounds so weird. Important, before you use, shake bottle for 5 seconds. I think I am going to have to spray it directly on my face. Challenge accepted. Okay, so I'm going to try to hold this black tissue paper up as I spray this on my face. Is it working? Oh no. It's broken. You guys hear that? Foundation is coming from the top of this. It's gonna explode! This just keeps getting better. And no foundation! It's working! Pounce, pounce, pounce. It's doing nothing. My sponge is just sucking it up. I wonder why, because it's meant to suck up grease. It stopped working again. Nothing's coming out, it's just air. So I guess no foundation, and we're just gonna pack on some concealer. Alright, we're gonna start blending. I'm gonna kill her. This looks so bad. I will tell you what, all those Instagram girls that are like, don't need to buy a beauty blender, just buy a sponge from Walmart. They're liars. Gonna give myself a concussion. Next, we're going to go with the Kat Von D Lock-It powder and the green sponge. And we're going to set my under eyes with it. Oh yeah, that looks so beautiful. Taking this brush, we're taking a black shadow that I have because this palette does not have any black. And we're just going to set in my waterline to make sure it doesn't smear. With that same brush, I'm taking that dark purple shade to blend that black out. That did nothing. Great. Nothing like an inner corner to help save the day. Okay, so off camera I bronzed my skin, which my skin has never looked this bad, guys. And now I have these amazing options for blushes. I'm going to go ahead and go in with this one, and it's super pigmented, so I'm literally going to boop, and that's it. Okay, so what's funny about these lashes is they come with lash glue, but the lash glue wasn't even in the package, and they're completely uneven length. Alice, did you use these? Well, now that these are on, I just want to give up. We're going to go in with Lime Crime Cashmere Liquid Lipstick. You know, and Alice wanted to be really helpful and give me options for lip gloss too. So we're going to go ahead and go in with that one because it's beautiful. I am messaging Alice that I'm going to kill her right now. Drowning myself in my sorrows of highlight. We're going to spray some continuous setting spray from Morphe. My lashes are in the way of my side bang, so I can't even style my hair. I could pose and like get dressed in a cute outfit and just work it, but I don't think there's any point. I had a ton of fun. Look at my lash. Oh gosh. Excuse me, bangs. You're ruining this. I had a ton of fun filming this. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please go watch Alice Lockhart's video. I'm sure it's going to be hilarious. I cannot wait to see it. She's filming it right now. So, alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys, hopefully, next week. I love her challenge. I love her channel, girl. Seriously. This is so bad. How do you think I did? All I filmed is the intro and I'm already sweating, so it's time for a Starbucks break.